Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use my new program called Draw Using Basic Shapes. With this program you can make a complete part by by just using different shapes, by combining different shapes. Okay, so what you would do is you would read this, go through this, read this. There's a bonus here for a fraction conversion to decimal and metric. I thought I'd input that, and there's also a thickness gauge that you can get the decimal or metric values. So I won't show you that. I want to just go right through everything here. You would enter your file path like this. This is mine. I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to show you how to input it. You go to desktop, and then you go down to Plasma DXF files. Click that. Okay, here it is. Then you create the folder. Then you'd close it. Then this is the last file that was input. So I'm going to leave it. Usually I just call it part size and then I rename it. You can rename it in the in this notepad here. Notepad would come up. You could rename it. This shows you that the DXF file isn't complete because I deleted it actually. Alright, so we've done that. Now we're going to go select our shape. We're going to be making this part here. Here's the print. So you can make this with three shapes. You can make it with part size, circle, and of course oblong. That's what I have here. So I'm going to minimize this, and we're going to go up here. And also you have this pops up with the when you open the shapes selection. So I'm going to kind of see if I can get everything in here to show you. I'm going to move this down like right here. Okay. So the first thing we do is we need the part size. Okay. So we go to part size. See if I can bring it back. We go to part size. We click that. According to our print, it's 4 by 4. Okay. I already established that. It has corner radiuses of 250, so we'll have to change that. And then we're doing it without holes. So we already created it. If you look over here, there it is. Okay, so the next one is the circle. I already have this set up for it, so it's 4 by 4, so the center would be on the print. Would be, well, that's what we're going to, sheet cam shows us. Let's see, there it is. Okay, so see, I got too many pop-ups here, but I should have made a bigger screen, but I didn't know if I could get, YouTube in it. Alright, so we haven't created our circle yet, so what we do is enter. We created it. We can delete that now. Okay, the next step is the oblong slot. We're going to be doing vertical slots, and we're going to be using these dimensions. Normally they wouldn't be laid out like this. I did it so you could run through this program and learn how to use it by using this example. So our first slot is going to be this one. So I've got this all set up. The slot length is 1/2 inch. The width is 1/4 inch. And this, if you subtract that, you come up with the offset length. So if you read this, that's how you do it. Alright, so I can move this over here because I just want to enter here. Okay, the first one's 3750. So That's 3 3/4. And Y, that's X. Y is 3/8. So we go 0.375. And then we click, we could have a horizontal one, or we could have a vertical. We're doing vertical. So we click that. This comes up. It's just every time you make a selection, it tells you what to do. All right, the next one is 375 on X. And we're going to go 3 inches, 3 5/8. So that's 6, 2, 5. Correct. Hit that, that's done. Okay, the next slot is 250.253. We don't need to change that. That's done. The next slot, 250 3/8. Okay, that's done. Well, our part's done, so we can close this. We can, all we have to do is click on this and we created the DXF. So it looks like we can do that. So we do that, done. Now we can get rid of this, or if you wanted to save it, you could take a picture of it, but not necessary. And then we go to Sheet Cam. I could show you a picture of that, but I'm going to show you in Sheet Cam. So I'm going to click on Sheet Cam. I'm going to bring up Sheet Cam. Here's Sheet Cam here. I'm going to import it. That was on my desktop. Plasma shapes. Plasma pot. Was 1 inch. Okay, there it is. I'm not going to show you, how to make the G-code. You can do that. But this is how my program works. So I'm going to close for now. I hope you like what you've seen. And these are the shapes that you can make. Okay? Thanks for watching this video.